What's up, guys? So we're out here for the holidays with the in-laws, and hearing stories over Christmas about this CJ5 that they have put away in their barn. So I decided to come out here on a little walk on their land and look in the barn for myself. So let's see if we can find ourselves a little Christmas barn find. See if the stories are true. All right, made it back here. And look at this. Let's see. Yeah, there's stuff in there. All right, let's see what we got. Light switch or anything. Look at that. Found ourselves a barn find CJ. What are these things? 32s. That's pretty sick. I don't think this is supposed to be like that, but a golf ball shifter. Supposedly, my father-in-law used to drive this thing. Wow. Alright, so let's see if the thing's the big boy or a little inline. So hopefully it's inline 6. That'd be pretty sweet if it is. So I heard it's a 73 CJ. And I mean, it'd be pretty sweet to get this thing back on the road at some point. Kind of fun to restore it. All right, that's what's up. All right, boom, inline 6. That's sweet. Let's see if we can find the VIN. Pretty sure you guys can't read that, but we'll take a picture of that, take it back, plug it into the computer, see what this thing actually was, what color it was, how it came from the factory. Right now it's like this matte army green, probably rattle canned, and it's pretty sweet. Not sure what last time this thing was actually out and doing something on the land, but I mean, for a farm truck, it's pretty sweet. So it looks like they're missing the battery. Body looks solid. Not too sure about the frame though, but I think it's gonna be pretty sweet to do a little rust or mud out. A little bit of rot on the floor. Got that sweet tire mount. Not sure if that was stock back then or not. So it's a little bit of a old brother to the YJ, but it's still pretty sweet. So big old steering wheel. Dang. I don't know if back then the dashes matched the exterior. This is like a purple maroon. It's pretty slick. It's got the bikini top. Wow. That's pretty sweet. So what do you guys think? Should we work on it when we come to visit family? Should we get it out? Should we get it moving? Should we get it crawling? I've always thought a CJ would be really sweet to do with a LS swap or just a V8 big block. Modest 4 or 5 inch lift. 33. It's just like the YJ is, but put some more power down, kind of the hot rod. Be pretty sweet. So let me know down in the comments what we should do. Find next time we're gonna be out here and see if we can pull this thing out and get it started. I think it might need a new wire and harness. There's a lot of mouse drop-ins and stuff, so I bet there's a cut wire somewhere. But we'll find out. Let us know down in the comments what we should do here. I'm gonna button up shop and head home. So awesome. Well, hey, like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully we'll be doing more of these Jeep videos and see what we can get into.